Good morning, students. It's Chandrakala here. Today we will see second chapter of MSc. So second chapter is the power of positive thinking. Positive thinking means the good things, good side of the things which are happening in our life, and negative thinking means thinking about negative points. That means the things which are happening in our life. Everything in this universe and everything that happens in the life of a man, they always has two aspects. That means they will have two sides, one good side and one bad side, right? So positive thinking means we must concentrate on good side of the things, and negative thinking means we must we are concentrating on negative side of the things which are happening in our life. For example, your mobile phone, because of your mobile phone today you are able to learn the things even in this adverse situation also. So that is the positive side of your mobile phone. But if you will use your mobile phone for more than a required time or more than a limit, then it will have side effects on your health. So that means what? That means everything, whatever we are doing, whatever we are using in our life, it always has two sides, two parts, one good side and one bad side. So the conclusion is we must concentrate on good side of the things, not on bad side of the things. For example, when you enter in a new academic year, then your parents tell you to study well and score good marks, right? So some students think that okay, we can do it this time, we will work hard and we will score good in our exams, we will learn things more as I have learned previous year. They are the positive thinkers. And the students who are thinking okay, I cannot do that because this is very lengthy syllabus, this is ICSE board and we have a lot of syllabus, a lot of subjects, I cannot do that. They are the negative thinkers. That means they even don't want to try, they don't want to make any efforts to get something. And until you will make efforts to get something, how can you achieve something? So that is the about this chapter about positive thinking. Kingsley had said, the men whom I have seen succeed best in life have always been cheerful and hopeful men. Kingsley was actually one historian, or you can say novelist and poet, who was born in England. So he used to write down the books. So in his book he has written that the men in my life, I have seen many successful men, and those men have a particular quality. What is the quality? They were always cheerful and hopeful. Cheerful means happy, and hopeful means they have a mindset that whatever will happen in future, that will be good, and whatever I want to achieve, that I will achieve. So they were always cheerful and hopeful, who went about their business with a smile on their face. That means in morning when they leave their home for their work, they always has a smile on their face, and took the changes and chance of this normal life like men, facing rough and smooth alike as it came. That means all the changes which generally people consider as obstacles or problems in their life, they took them, they accept all the changes, and they face both the sides of that particular thing equally. Rough and smooth. Rough and smooth means bad side and good side. That means if bad things are happening in their life or the good things are happening in their life, they treat both the things equally. It is very important to see the bright side of the things in the life. That means it's possible, obviously we all are human beings, that means it's possible that we might have done some mistakes or something is not happening good in our life. It's possible, but whatever is happening, we can take something positive from that. Okay, so we must see the positive side of that particular thing. The power of positive thinking should be developed because negative thinking leads to loss of courage and hope. We must have a habit to think positive, because if we will think negative, that will lose, that will destroy our courage and hope. Courage means the power to do something, and hope means something will happen or I will do something. That particular concept will be finished. And if you will start thinking that okay, I cannot do, that means you will not do any efforts, you will even not try, and if you will not try, then you will not get. So if a glass is half full of water, some people will say that it is half empty and some will say that it is half full. That means if a glass is half filled with water and kept somewhere, then some people think that I cannot use this water because this is not fully filled. This is half filled water. I will not use it. But some other people will think, okay, I'm not getting full glass of water, but at least I'm getting half glass now. I can use that half glass. So they are happy with that half glass. That means they can use that half glass itself. So they are the positive thinkers because they know how to take a situation positively. Okay, how to handle a situation positively, because always the things will not be in our favor. Sometimes it will be in our favor and sometimes it will not be in our favor. So in that condition we have to pick up just the good things and we have to make our way. There was a large manufacturing company that suffered huge losses. The sales manager of the company called upon the sales representative of his company for a conference. There was a large manufacturing company. Manufacturing company means the place where things are manufactured or made. That means if you are using a water bottle, then the place where your water bottles are made, that factory or that place, that is known as manufacturing company. So that company was not good at its sales. That means whatever it is producing, that was not sold properly. So it was suffering from loss. The sales manager of the company, that means the manager who was the manager of the sales branch, he called the sales representative. The representative means the employees and who used to sell the things, employees or workers. So he called those workers for a conference. Conference means meeting. The conference was very short and simple. The sales manager took a large piece of white paper on the display board. At the center of the paper, he made a black dot. That means when the conference or the meeting started, the sales manager did not say anything. He just took a white paper and he tagged or placed on the display board. Display board means board, as you are having your notice board in the school. Similarly, there was a board. He kept a large piece of white paper and then he made a black dot in between that paper. The sales manager asked them one by one, what do you see on the paper which has been displayed on the board? He asked the people, representatives, that means who were present there in the conference. He asked them, what can you see on the board? Everyone replied a black dot. Everyone, that means each one said that we can see a blackboard on the paper. The manager repeated his question. Try to find out, is there anything beside the black dot that you see on the paper in front of you? That means the manager once again repeated his question, that try to find out, is there anything else other than this black dot also? Everyone answered together, no, there is nothing except the black dot. Then all the members present in the meeting said that we cannot see anything, we can just see a black dot. The manager said, this is strange, that's why you don't succeed in your efforts. Then the manager said, this is strange. Strange means surprising. I'm surprised. That's why you don't succeed in your efforts. That's why you cannot sell the things properly. You see only black dot, whereas you should see the white space that surrounds the black dot. That means you can see a black dot on the paper, but you cannot see that white paper. That means around that black dot there is a lot of white space. Why you didn't see that white space? We must always look for the positive side of the thing. Why are you looking at black dot only? Why are you not looking at positive side? Now I would like all of you to go back to your territories and look for opportunities instead of difficulties. Manager said that now you go to your particular territories, that means the areas where you are selling the things. Now go back there and this time concentrate on opportunities. That means what you can do instead of difficulties. Don't concentrate on difficulties. Don't give attention to the problems. Give attention to what you can do. Okay, I'm sure if you follow what I have told, our company's sale will go up. Manager said that I know that if you will follow what I have told, positive thinking. If you will keep a positive thinking, then our company will work well. Similarly, we should also try to be optimistic in the life. Optimistic means same thing. We should see the positive sides of the life. That means there can be any problem, but it will have a good side also, so we have to concentrate on good side. Cultivate a positive expectant attitude, empty your mind of disbelief, and you will allow room for true faith. That means in our surrounding we see a lot of things, and the most of the things in our life which we have learned, that those things which we those things we learn from our surrounding. That means from our home, from our neighborhood, and from our school, from our relatives, from our parents, from our brothers and sisters, and whomever we meet. So we see a lot of things, and our mind catch all those things, but all those things are not true. They can be false, they can be not right. So what we have to do, we have to remove all those things which are not right. Okay, all the disbeliefs which we should not, superstitions which we should not believe. So we have to remove all these things. Then what we will get, we will get good things stored in our mind, and good thing will develop a good habit, and good habit will give a good nature. So that is the thought of the day. Rest of the things we will see in next class. Thank you.